what up, what up? I'm the math teacher Goat, and today in 5th grade math we are talking about powers and exponents. Ooh, fun stuff. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. Also, go to the description of this video, click on the link to the notes, download them, print them if you can, follow along because I'm going to do a bunch of problems. I'm going to ask you to do a bunch of problems. We're going to have a great time. This right here is called a power. That is called a power, that whole thing. Now, each little part of it has a name too. This guy, the 3, is called a base. Okay? Over here, that 4 is called the exponent. What the exponent does to a base is it tells you how many times you multiply that base to itself. So, you read this as 3 to the 4th power. 3 to the 4th power. And since that's 3 to the 4th power, you're going to write out 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That's 4 of them. Okay? 3 to the 4th power. What we just did is we expanded the power. This is called expanding. If we had to, we would do that, do the actual math. We will eventually do stuff like that today. But right now, I just wanted to show you how you expand a power like that. Now that you've seen it, let's take all of these and expand them all. 4 to the 2nd power means 4 times 4. And that's it. 5 to the 3rd power means 5 times 5 times 5. And that's how you expand that one. 2 to the 4th power means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And 3 to the 3rd power means 3 times 3 times 3. All right? That's expanding. The only time this gets a little ugly is when you actually have to do a little bit of the math, but that's okay. I'll guide you through it. 2 to the 3rd power. How do we expand that? 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. So 2 to the 3rd power is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Easy. 3 to the 2nd power is 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. That's weird. To the 1st power, easy. You just write out 5 once, and then you get 5. Simple. All right. Pause the video. You try them out. Come back. Check your answers. Go. Welcome back. So we get 3 to the 4th. We're just expanding here. 3 to the 4th. So that's 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay? 8 to the 2nd power. 8 times 8. All right? 2 to the 6th power. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. I don't have enough fingers, so I didn't even try. 6 to the 3rd power, 6 times 6 times 6. All right, now let's expand and evaluate. 4 to the 2nd power means 4 times 4, and 4 times 4 is 16. 2 to the 4th power, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And 8 times 2 is 16. So this is also 16. Last but not least, you get 3 to the 3rd, which is 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And 9 times 3 is 27. So 3 to the 3rd power is 27. Malia is planting flowers in her garden. She decides to plant 3 flowers in each pot, and each pot has 3 layers of flowers stacked on top of each other, and she has 3 pots in total. So what I need to do is I need to find out how many flowers she planted. All right. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do 3 flowers in each pot, 3 layers of flowers per pot, 3 pots total. So that is the same thing as saying 3 to the 3rd power. I saw this before. 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. So in total, Malia has planted 27 flowers. That's a lot of flowers. Quick lesson. Okay, quick lesson. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Watch all my videos, please. And tell all your friends all about me. Until then, bye.